The Connector 2.0 is our iconic mid-light unisex zip-thru hoodie sweatshirt, expertly designed for both style and practicality, making it perfect for high-quality custom apparel. Featuring a medium fit, it harmonizes seamlessly with the Archer hoodie and matcha crew neck in terms of fit, fabric, and trims, allowing for a cohesive look across different styles. Crafted from 85% organic cotton and 15% recycled polyester, this 300 GSM French terry sweatshirt provides a cooler feel compared to brushed fabrics. It boasts set-in sleeves and a self-fabric lined hood for added comfort and a refined appearance. The covered metal zipper at the center front, along with round drawcords in matching body color with closed metal tipping and metal eyelets, enhance its premium look. The Connector 2.0 also features 1x1 ribbing at the sleeve cuffs and bottom hem, a kangaroo pocket for convenience, and double needle top stitching at the armholes, sleeves cuffs, and bottom hem for durability. Inside, it's finished with herringbone tape at the back neck seam and inside of the zipper, complemented by a self-fabric half moon at the back neck for extra comfort.